I hear you want to run a giveaway on Twitch but want to know the best way to do it. Well, let me show you how. Once you have your giveaway idea, you might want to find a way to make the winners randomized. This can be done a couple of ways, but today I'll show you how to do it on Stream Elements. Log in via Twitch to your Stream Elements account and go to Loyalty, then Giveaways. You'll see here you can customize your giveaway with a title, event description, and various settings like giving an increased chance of winning to your paid subscribers. Once you're happy, hit Create and Start, and this will shoot an announcement into your Twitch chat. It will explain to your chat that then all you have to do is type !ticket and you'll be within a chance of winning the giveaway. You can end the giveaway on Stream Elements at any point via the Close Giveaway button. Once you've done this, chat will be informed and you can go ahead and find your winner. If you'd like, you can draw another winner too, and all winners will be notified via the bot in Twitch chat. And that's it. Nice and easy, all integrated into Stream Elements. If you'd now like to learn how to add emotes, then click here, or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.